My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA second semester subject Human Resource Management as prescribed by Osmania University, Palamuru University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important case studies with questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. First, case study question. Mr. Suneet Sharma, the HR Director for XYZ Corporation, has come to the conclusion that the firm has not been getting the better students from the college campuses that have visited. XYZ Corporation currently has recent recruits go back to their own campuses to conduct employment interviews for entry-level management position. This is based upon the belief of the last HR director that recent graduates are better able to develop a rapport with current college students. Other firms send older to be more experienced interviews to these campuses, and as a consequence appear to be more successful practices of the firm in order to ensure that appropriate methods are being adopted and that they are effectively used. He believes that the first step is to review all of the methods available and to determine when and for which labor market each is most effective. This seems a difficult job, and he is wondering if it can be done at all. Questions. 1. What recommendations would you make to Mr. Suneet Sharma to improve the firm's college recruiting for entry-level management positions? Answer. To improve campus recruitment, Mr. Suneet Sharma should adopt a hybrid interview strategy. This means combining recent graduates with experienced professionals during college interviews. Recent alumni build friendly connections, while seniors add credibility and seriousness. Next, XYZ should focus on building a strong employer brand. This includes giving pre-placement talks, running workshops, or hosting company visits to attract bright students. They should also select the right campuses, not just where alumni studied. Choosing colleges based on talent, placement rankings, and course quality will give better results. Finally, the recruitment team must be well-trained in interview skills, understand student expectations, and offer a clear career path. Internships and live projects can be added to engage students early. By using this approach, XYZ can attract better talent and compete well with top companies. 2. Determine the labor markets in which each of the recruitment methods will be most effective. Answer. Each recruitment method works best for different labor markets. 1. Campus recruitment. Best for freshers seeking entry-level jobs. Suitable for roles like management trainees, sales executives, or junior analysts. 2. Job portals, Naukri, LinkedIn, etc. Targets active job seekers with experience. Best for mid-level roles like team leads or department heads. 3. Employee referrals. Effective for hiring passive candidates, not actively searching but open to offers. Works well for niche or hard-to-fill roles. 4. Recruitment agencies. Useful when hiring for specialized or senior positions, like finance heads, software architects, etc. Also good for bulk hiring. 5. Social media recruiting. Connects well with younger audiences and creative professionals. Great for marketing, design, and tech roles in startups. 6. Walk-ins or job fairs. Best for blue-collar or large-scale hiring like BPOs, retail, or operations. Choosing the right method based on the target labor market ensures effective hiring. Next. Case study, Digital HR Transformation at BharatTech. BharatTech, an IT company in Hyderabad, decided to implement a new HRMS system to manage its growing workforce of 700 employees. The previous manual system caused delays in leave management, payroll, and employee performance tracking. The HR director, Meena, suggested integrating HRIS with strategic HR metrics and dashboards. This helped managers track employee attendance, training, and potential for promotions. The HR team also introduced a competency framework focusing on skills like innovation, teamwork, and adaptability. During the pandemic, the system helped manage remote work more efficiently. The company aligned its HR strategy with business goals, aiming to improve employee satisfaction and reduce attrition. Questions and answers. 1. Why did BharatTech adopt HRMS? To improve efficiency in payroll, leave, and performance management. 2. What is the role of strategic HR metrics? They help in tracking workforce data to make better HR decisions. 3. How did the system help during the pandemic? It helped manage remote work, attendance, and employee productivity. 4. What is a competency framework? It is a set of key skills needed for success in an organization. Next. Case study. Designing roles for a virtual workforce at eCart. eCart, an online delivery startup, planned to hire 150 delivery executives across Telangana. The HR manager, Rahul, used strategic job analysis and cognitive task analysis to design efficient job roles. He used a work connectivity index to measure how well employees interacted with the system and customers. For recruiting, both virtual and real methods were used. Rahul applied psychometric tests to understand candidates' personality traits and abilities, ensuring better hiring. Questions and answers. 1. What is strategic job analysis? It helps define job roles based on company strategy and future needs. 2. What are psychometric tests used for? To measure mental abilities and personality traits of candidates. 3. What is the Work Connectivity Index? A measure of how employees connect with systems and people. 4. Why use both virtual and real recruitment? To reach more candidates and find the best fit. Next. Case study, upskilling employees through simulation at Apollo Tech. Apollo Tech launched a simulation-based training program for junior engineers to improve technical and decision-making skills. After a training needs analysis, the HRD team found many employees lacked project management abilities. The company introduced business games, job rotation, and role plays. A training ROI audit using the Phillips model showed a 30% improvement in work quality. The HR team also helped employees plan their careers with transition support. Questions and answers. 1. What is simulation training? A training method that uses real-life scenarios to teach skills. 2. What is the Phillips ROI model? A tool to measure the return on investment of training programs. 3. Why use job rotation? It helps employees gain experience in different roles. 4. What is career transition support? Helping employees move into new roles or higher positions. Next. Case study. Building a code of ethics at Sunmart Retail. Sunmart Retail faced issues like employee misconduct and stress. HR head Priya introduced a clear code of conduct and ethics training. A grievance redressal system was created, and stress management workshops were organized. They also introduced Employee Value Proposition (EVP) to attract and retain staff. Employer branding improved, and employee engagement increased. Sunmart focused on building a learning organization to create a loyal and ethical workforce. Questions and answers. 1. What is a code of conduct? Rules and guidelines for employee behavior. 2. What is EVP? A set of values and benefits offered to employees by the employer. 3. Why is grievance redressal important? It helps resolve employee complaints and maintain harmony. 4. How does stress management help? It improves employee well-being and work performance. Next, case study, promoting diversity and inclusion at Nexa Innovations. Nexa Innovations aimed to build an inclusive workplace by hiring people from different cultures, genders, and backgrounds. The HR team introduced training on emotional intelligence and conducted awareness programs on equity and bias. An HR scorecard helped track progress in diversity goals. Flexible work options were offered to balance work-life needs. This sustainable HR approach improved teamwork and boosted company image globally. Questions and answers. 1. What is workforce diversity? Employing people from different backgrounds, genders, and cultures. 2. What is the role of emotional intelligence? It helps employees manage their emotions and work better in teams. 3. What is an HR scorecard? A tool used to measure HR performance and goals. 4. What is sustainable HRM? HR practices that support long-term employee and company well-being.